In most houses, when you go to the corner of the room, you'll find that it is not exactly 90 degrees. So when making a corner shelf like this, it makes it a little bit tricky. And in fact, because each corner is often different, it's not a simple rule. So you need to find this angle. Now, there's several ways that you can do that. In this particular situation, the corner that I need to fit this shelf to is actually not one in my home. It's a gift for a friend who actually lives several states away. And he doesn't have an angle finder, which would be the simplest solution. So we had to think outside the box. One simple trick for finding an angle like this is actually using a couple of bits of paper. Now take two pieces and line one up with one side and the other side up with the other. You can effectively make that exact angle that's required and then tape those two bits together, and therefore you've got a makeshift angle finder. Now this is the bit of paper that was sent to me by my buddy, and you can see here he's actually marked the corner of which the angle was measured from. So he's done exactly what I've just shown you. He's taken two bits of paper, he's lined this edge of the paper up with one side of the wall and this edge up with the other and taped it up so it's nice and secure. Now, because it's a smaller than 90 degree angle, if I line this up directly in the corner, it's actually overlapping on this side. So I need to make sure that I drag it back away from here so that I can then extend this line out to make sure that I'm still taking a little bit off the side as well. So to help me with that, I just use a rule like so, and that extends this angle further. So I can bring that in, measure it all up, make sure that this end is still touching the corner at least, so that when I draw the line on from here and then extend that out, I'm still taking a little bit here. This is the line I need to cut off, and then it should fit perfectly.